The 3 amp fuse popped. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go to the thermostat. The thermostat does have a blank screen. It's a fairly new unit. They didn't have anybody work in the backyard. Sometimes when they cut the grass in the backyard, the 3 amp fuse will pop. So this kind of happened out of nowhere. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually replace that 3 amp fuse, see if it works for about 15 minutes. And this customer may get lucky. It might just start working from there. Most of the time when you replace these 3 amp fuses, they actually will pop right away if there's a major problem. Sometimes it's an actual board going bad, or it could be maybe a switch in the unit going bad. So we're gonna actually just swap out this 3 amp fuse and see what happens. All right, so up here we got a Lennox zoning system. If you notice, all the lights are out. Now it looks like you do have high voltage coming to this unit. You just don't got no low voltage. If you notice right up here, the fuse is burned out. They have an external fuse here. So there's the burnout right there. So we're going to replace this fuse and see what happens. Green light came on. Everything might start working after this. So sometimes on newer units like this, sometimes it's just a 3 amp fuse. Something may be going wrong with this system, but they may get lucky here. It might just be a fuse issue. Sometimes the boards might be going bad, but for right now we'll just swap out the fuses and that should be it.